Do you feel safe when you are at home? Do you ever worry about theft? Or worse, someone breaking into your home when you are away? When it comes to making your home secure, don't trust this job to just anyone. When it's your home and your business, you need to make sure that you choose a home security service provider that has the knowledge and experience to install the right security system for your needs. That's why the CCTV company has been installing a lot of our Wi-Fi kits around New Zealand lately. Our products deter would-be robbers from breaking into your home. With full live viewing and pre-recorded playback on your mobile phone anywhere in the world, our Wi-Fi kit gives you the reassurance you need when you are not at home. Full Wi-Fi kits starting from $1,500, fully installed with no hidden costs. Just one flat payment. Get in contact with us today to secure your property with one of the CCTV company's home Wi-Fi kits.